Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're aiming to level up your life, then mastering self-discipline is key. In today's video, we're diving into 10 powerful techniques that will help you harness the power of self-discipline so you can crush your goals and achieve amazing results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Understanding self-discipline. First, let's quickly talk about what self-discipline is. It's the ability to control your emotions, behaviors, and desires in the face of external demands. In simple terms, it's doing what you need to do, even when you don't want to do it. Now, let's explore 10 techniques to master this crucial skill. Technique number 1. Set clear goals. It's tough to be disciplined without a target. Break down your larger ambitions into smaller, achievable goals. Write them down, and be specific. For example, instead of saying I want to get fit, try I want to exercise for 30 minutes, 5 times a week. Technique 2. Create a routine. Technique number 2. Create a routine. A consistent daily routine helps you automate good habits. Decide on a time to wake up, exercise, work, and wind down. Stick to this schedule as closely as possible. This will make discipline feel natural over time. Technique 3. Use a planner. Technique number 3. Use a planner. Writing down tasks helps you stay organized and accountable. Whether it's digital or paper, a planner keeps track of your daily obligations and reminders. Review it each morning to set your intentions for the day. Technique 4. Understand your triggers. Technique number 4. Understand your triggers. Identify what distracts you or causes you to stray from your discipline. Is it your phone? TV? Once you know your triggers, you can create strategies to minimize these distractions. Technique 5. Practice mindfulness. Technique number 5. Practice mindfulness. Being present helps you manage cravings and negative thoughts. Try meditation or deep breathing exercises daily. This mental clarity can make it easier to stay disciplined. Technique 6. Reward yourself. Technique number 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Treat yourself to something nice when you hit a milestone. These rewards can motivate you to keep going. Technique 7. Surround yourself with support. Technique number 7. Surround yourself with support. Share your goals with friends or join groups with similar ambitions. Having supportive people around you can keep you motivated and accountable. Technique 8. Limit temptations. Technique number 8. Limit temptations. Make it hard to stray from your goals. If you're trying to eat healthier, keep junk food out of the house. If you want to read more, keep your book by your bedside instead of your phone. Technique 9. Track your progress. Technique number 9. Track your progress. Keep a journal or app to log your daily achievements. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating and can help you identify areas for improvement. Technique 10. Stay patient and persistent. And finally, technique number 10. Stay patient and persistent. Self-discipline is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't be hard on yourself if you slip up. Stay committed, and remember, each day is a new opportunity to improve. And there you have it, 10 techniques to master self-discipline. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use a little extra motivation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on personal development. Until next time, stay disciplined, and keep reaching for those goals.